I created the Motionz program, which combines traditional physical therapy exercise techniques with the physical poetry of Tai Chi. For thousands of years, the gentle movements of Tai Chi have been practiced by millions of people as a means to promote and maintain physical and mental well-being. I am inspired by the significant improvements my students and patients have shown since I began the program. My patients and students have reported to me that the Motionz routine has helped them in so many aspects of their daily life. These include improved walking pattern, better standing balance, decreased joint stiffness and pain, the ability to get up and down steps, and decreased anxiety and depression. Some patients and students have also reported an easier time recovering from hip and knee surgeries. My oldest student, a 103 years young gentleman, was unable to walk without assistance before starting the Motionz program. After 2 months of participating in the program twice a week, I am so happy to see him now, living his life to its fullest and walking on his own.